Hello and welcome to About 6 Acres. I'm Juana.
And I'm Nick.
And we are continuing with our spring, I'm going to call it a spring extravaganza because it sounds really cool.
It's a spring preparation / cleaning
/ all the fun things.
Hi ladies. Sorry, the goats are behind me. One was nuzzling my leg.
All the animals just love to nuzzle Nick's legs, especially the geese, but now the goats. Springtime is a time of renewal, a time of birth, and in the homestead in particular, it's a time of change. So one of the biggest changes we have, obviously, is one of our goats is pregnant and will be giving birth soon. And typically spring means cleaning. A lot of cleaning.
Yeah, getting the area ready for the babies.
We've got so much spring cleaning to do. We tackled the coop a couple weeks ago, and now it's time to tackle the goat pen. What's so funny, Nick?
Oh, the goats.
Nuzzling your leg. This is what I compete with, and I can't. I can't compete with this cuteness.
Poppy and Whitey.
Just look at that cuteness.
Hello.
I can't compete with it. Just too cute. Without further ado, let's get the wheelbarrow, the rake, the shovels, and let's get to mucking.
Mucking. Hopefully it shouldn't be that bad.
I don't think it is, because we've kept it pretty clean over the winter.
It's just gonna smell like, I think it's gonna smell like pee.
Yeah, with all the rains and them being an extra amount of time in there, it's just not gonna be the best. But it's okay, because that's why we're cleaning. So let's go. Midnight's been spending more time in the pen, so even while the other ones are out foraging, she's gonna go to the bathroom. This is real life here. But she's been just staying put and not really wanting to go out. When pregnant women are about to give birth, they start nesting and cleaning up the houses and all of that. So I think that's part of what's going on with Midnight. We experienced it with Lucy last year. This is a pretty small space, so I don't know if we're going to be able to capture much of it on video, but I'll give you an idea of the before. Basically, we have to sweep some of the cobwebs. There are plenty in here. Clear out all of the spent bedding. Let me show you what else we have in here. Yeesh.
Got some of these red wasps. We got some spiders.
Yeah, we need to get them out.
So we'll sweep.
It's in need of a good cleaning. So the worst part about all this is literally the smell, because of all of the water that drains from this kind of at the bottom of the slope. All of that just drains towards here, and it seems like there's a little bit of standing water. I'm not really sure how to prevent it, but it seems like there might be some in here. It could just be because of the amount of bedding that is in here, but wow, definitely glad we're wearing a mask.
We're exposing the dirt floor. I'm gonna let it aerate out for a little bit, and we're gonna put some barn lime down to help dry out some spots, to make it smell better. Lucy's inspecting. She's wondering where everything went. And then once we have the barn lime, we'll have that set for a little bit, and then we'll add our layer of pine shavings and put everything back. Filled up many wheelbarrows. But you can't guess how many. This does not smell so good, but it's nice and composted. So we're adding it to the ground behind the container, and we'll sort of mix that in when we plant the rest of our tomatoes. we're gonna put down some barn lime on the bottom. And it's basically just almost acts like a desiccant. So it sort of will get on those dry spots, make it smell better, sort of neutralize the ammonia smell and not make it slippery. So we put a good layer down on the bottom before we put our bedding down. Yeah, here's the scoop. And I think like a 50-pound bag was like $4 at Tractor Supply. So it's worth it. We're gonna spray the walls with Juana's disinfectant solution. So it's got some alcohol in there, some of the distilled vinegar, and some essential oils like eucalyptus water, and just dilute it a little bit and you spray it. No need to wipe it, just to really deodorize and disinfect. The alcohol will kill any bad things, the vinegar as well, and just really, again, neutralize any odor that's in the wood. And so fly season has started. We got a lot of the black flies, you know, because we have livestock, so keeping things clean. This solution will help really deter the flies, so you'll see them buzzing around because they don't like it. So very good. Instead of spraying any pesticide or anything that would stay in here, we have this. We can just spritz around. Pre-inspection. Smells good. What you think, Rosa? Buttercup? Whitey? Okay. I think they're telling us we need to put down some pine shavings. We just added the thin layer of pine shavings down, got the platforms in. But Lucy, she's looking for a little of the bark chips. So she's going around. Are you cleaning up for Minnie? Getting ready? And then once Minnie's ready, we'll move her in here and put down a pretty substantial layer of straw. That way it's nice and soft for her and the babies when they're ready.
Oh, you goats are so sweet. You live in the life of sweetness. But I'm actually trying to say hi to Minnie. Can I say hi to Minnie? Okay, I'm going to say hi to Minnie. Minnie, how are you feeling? Look at that. I have to show you
It's
that.
Cash. You stretching? You making yourself longer? Your giraffe?
He's so cute. The goat shed is clean.
It is ready for Minnie and her babies.
Yeah, and I'm really glad we're doing these in little increments because that was a lot of work.
Yeah.
Like, I feel my muscles.
Yeah, Juana did a lot of work. Even though I said, hey, I will shovel some. And she's like,
He
too bad.
did end up shoveling some, but I know Nick has a sensitive back, sensitive hip, he had knee surgery. So if I can lighten his load a little bit, you know I will.
I'm a fragile man.
He's a fragile man.
But
And I'm a strong wife. But seriously, we're so glad that that is one little portion that we can check off our list. And we still have some other things to do, like moving all of these pieces to the other area once Minnie is a go.
yeah, getting the igloo cleaned, putting the table over there, just so the girls and Whitey can not bother Minnie so much. I have Lucy eating my shirt, Poppy headbutting me, and Minnie sniffing the air because something stinks. What stinks?
Pregnant people. Pregnant goats.
Yeah, who needs to go to the amusement park when you have goats that keep knocking you over and headbutting you?
Who needs
So much
a
fun.
chiropractor when they can align your back?
So stay tuned. Maybe in a couple weeks we have baby minis. Mini babies.
I don't know, but they're so cute. She's so cute and yet so weird. She's a weirdo.
She's fat. She's got at least 2 in there.
But thank you so much for watching.
And as always, you are awesome and you are loved.
Until next time.